you know, yeah, let's go. So, like elephant in the room. Like, what the hell is going on with this freaking VXPR? Like, if you're looking at that, like nothing else should be paid attention to. VRPX. Like one move, you catch one move out on this thing, you're good to go. Like it gives you a couple of dollars with size, like easily 2-3 hours, you know. They got the FDA approval on some junk that they are representing. Yeah. In a decade, yeah. Yeah. And it really, Brent, doesn't matter what they're offering. It's something about MMS019. It's a drug that candidates for nanotechnology. So it really doesn't matter. First of all, it's pharmaceutical, it's in neuro, it's in biosector. VRPX is the company. And today, open of today, it opened at around 20. It opened around the open was 1870 57, and it rallied to $38. So it rallied 100%. So it rallied over 100%, and in just pre-market. So it means that right now that we are that we are now, lots of people are on the water, and over 32.50 would be a good price to get involved to me personally, to go long. It has been rejected 3 times, that area between 50 and 32. It has been rejected twice, and I'm gonna go long this. Something funny, you know, when they say free money, last night when for the close of market, I was just like, yeah, this is gonna rally up, and I'm gonna wake up with like a couple of grand profit, right? $62,000 profit out of yesterday's. I went in on the last minute of the market, around 18:20, and then yeah, there you go. Today, before even market open, that's my thing. Although obviously I'm not going to consider that, but it's funny to see big numbers again. You know, it's glorious. You know. 17,802. Those old days, man. Those old days playing gaps. Those old days. These were sort of plays that for a while I used to play the gap ups. And waking up in the early in the morning. Waking up 4 in the morning to look at what's going on. And then closing my trades on the gap up around 8 in the morning. Anyway, so the normal list, guys, the normal list that we have, where is it? Nothing left from the list this morning, and all candidates that are still available. Microsoft. Okay, so we have three candidates on the list. So let's take a look at Qs. Qs, they look like they want to drain down. Although there's a resistance holding it, and there's a support bouncing it back, but if you look at the weekly, we clearly topped it out, and on a 212 bearish rev, we are coming back down. I don't think it's gonna go to 0, but it could be a huge drop down, so we could expect all of these plays to go short. Microsoft, obviously 212 at the top of the broadening formation. I see it at the top of broadening formation on an ugly 212 bearish reversal. So Then we go snap. I'm not liking snap, especially because you know, we are stuck in the shadow part of the candle. So there was a bearish day, then it start to, I mean, if you look at it from the bearish point of view, it's actually good that we are stuck there. Okay, snap. I was looking at the long. It's very good that we are stuck in the shadow part. It means that the market will not get out of the shadow. Market doesn't have bullish power to go higher. FSR. 69 as in 69.99 or 69 as 69.03 or 5 or 69.10 to the upper side of the upper range. Yeah, it breaks 70. If it breaks 70, yeah, you can go to 50. You can go to 57. You know, your PMG is up to 57. Your magnitude is actually up to 57, but the first magnitude to reach, if it drops the first magnitude, I would easily say that it can go to 65. If it dips down in $1.50 from now, if it dips $1.50 from here, we are open to 65. So yeah. Yeah. This is, yeah, exactly. This is one of the things that I pay attention, that when I'm trading. So we didn't get, even in pre-market, we didn't get out of the range. Even pre-market failed to get out of the range of the thing. And now, right now that we're speaking, the new print came out 10 cents lower and broke 71.50. So we have even less to go lower. So Fisker looks like it has bottomed down, but time frame continuity says that this thing is a 2-2 down on weekly. Yeah, I would short this thing as well. It's a short day, man. It's a short day. UPST. Who's UPST? It looks like a good long. The only issue is that it got rejected at, I don't like the price point. It's some stock that I don't know. What's the name of this thing? Yeah. Yeah. So Upstart, what's that? Upstart Holding. Your someone's mic is open. Yeah, this sounds okay. So we have BTU. I never liked BTU. I know, I know. BTU look like a good short, although it time frame continuity says high, but the upper band of broad information rejected the stock. So short it is BTU, and obviously SQ, which I'm not even going to bother. I have to fight with flies and everything here. So I'm not liking this. Let's go on symmetric. Yeah, much better. Okay, so let's put some music in the background. Hold on. All right. So then this square on FTFC. Well, on full FTFC, we don't have full time frame continuity because well, we do. FTFC bearish. So let me lower this music. FTFC is bearish, and even on 1 hour we are getting a square. Yeah, it's Qs, man. Qs that are just playing dumb around here. Well, if someone wants to swing this stock, it's actually giving a very, very interesting. It's since the beginning of this week, it has been giving a very interesting signal. The top of the range that it formed on the week on February, actually 2 days after Valentine's, 16th of the February, formed the top ATH, and then after that 2 weeks ago we topped it again, but it got rejected, and then we got a 2-1-2 bearish reversal. So this is a full short back to the range, and yeah, but for me, I'm not even going to consider this thing on my watch list. It's just, you know, my main is short anyway. I'm not interested in Square. Neither in Microsoft. Ooh. Yeah. Aggressive, yeah. Yeah. The limit to down is $24 today, right? Yeah, today, right today. If it goes short, you are able to go to back to 5 where it came from. It came from 441. 2 days ago, it was at 441. So this is not a short squeeze. This is a typical biosector move. It's on news on FDA, and yeah, it's just gonna run today or maximum tomorrow, and gonna slam down like it never even existed. And everyone, all these apes, they'll become, their diamond hand will become brown hand. You know, I'm trying to make a joke here, but you know, they're gonna get destroyed. Yeah, so Sam, I have never been like a full-fledged and you know hardcore penny stock player and low floater, not low floaters, low floater. I've never been that, but with my like higher price stock experience and you know as I do it now, I think. I'm doing analysis on this stock, and then I see that so 30 held for the second time, and it didn't break 30. It went up to 90, but 30 didn't break. So we'll see. Today could be an interesting day. No, it's alright. So what's up, you, Brent? Is it on BBT too? Neo? Yeah, Neo looks like a good 2-2 ref. 500,000 shares. Yeah. TLRY? Tilray? TLRY. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me check. TLRI. Tilray. Yeah, so. Oh, they got news. They got news yesterday. Acquires majority positions in amended Medmen convertible notes. I don't know what is it, but they have news. So they have news. Medmen is a leading cannabis retail brand. Oh, there you go. Medmen, they got position, and then the Medmen is a major cannabis retail. So that's the thing. Yeah. 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 VRPX. VRPX is my main play today. If it doesn't get in, the volume doesn't kick in, I have a whole bunch of other ones here. Yeah, it is not. It's not a safe play, man. It's not. This shit gets halt. Oof, you get smoke. Yeah, playing low floaters is not easy. It's not. It's not easy. Oof. Even paper money is freaky. Yeah. The strategy. If it goes up, go in. If it goes down, just short it. That's the strategy. Okay, this is an ugly joke. I'm just making fun of the chasers, you know. I'm not actually suggesting to trade like this. Hello, I'm not suggesting to do that. Brother. Yeah. So FOMO is more real than love, man. You know, I can tell you. Some people never really fall in love, but everyone on this fucking planet gets in FOMO. Everybody. Yeah? There you have it. Yeah, good. Because your strategy is concrete and more, way more, elaborated and more, well put together, I can say. You know. Yeah. True. Hmm. So this is the thing, yeah. So you need a backbone, and then you grow your strategy around that backbone. Okay, so yeah, the backbone. Never heard about that phrase, but yeah, if you say, man, if you say so. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, you can combine. Look, you can. You know, you have you have a fairly common knowledge of L2, right? So you mix that one on a break of HOD when you have a 212. Then you have a good strategy. You know. There you go. Well, I saw it. I saw it in the morning before our conversation starts. But you know the price point, and it's never clear for me. I can never get a clear breakout out of mRNA. That's the issue. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Food too. Hmm. Man. Man, I was trading Futu when it was around 150, 170, 150 ish. Holy crap, it's like $90 now. Good God. Yeah, yeah, it can easily move. Like I have been trading it for a couple of days. It can easily move up to 70 cents a day, and for a $3 stock, that's significant. Also, not to forget that this thing has been going nuts for the last couple of days. So a good short would be very interesting to take from this. Yeah, it's a good short. Yeah. The issue is that it is ranging. The issue is it's ranging, and you actually can get a good move out of it if it breaks around 73. If it gets 73 break, then you're clear to go. But until then, there are too many lows and opens and closes. It's a little bit choppy at this point. Yeah. Yeah. 82. Uh huh. Uh huh. Okay, so you know that I have a 2D Ameritrade. If it helps, we can attach these two together and get a good, get a good combo out of this. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Oh the level 2 representation of L2 is beautiful. Look at the volume bar on the right side that shows that how big is the, like you don't need to read numbers, you can just look at the size of the volume. I'm a book 5,000 shares on 10,000 shares on NAOV. Now what's this company? I don't know what is it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, you have a good one, and keep it green. Yeah. Yeah. Take care, guys. Yeah, take care. Bye. All right, let's go. It's open. So let's see what we have here. And there you go. It's on VRPX. We have a Ripper to the upside. Let me sell a whole chunk of stock that I have here. Yeah, so my average was 20, 30, 20. So I'm expecting a rise, unexpected rise, the massive bull power. FSR is about to short. Well, yeah, let's see. This is gonna get halted any second, like any second. Up, any second. 27 would be a halt. Halt price, and 33 would be the okay. FSR is dropping now, same as Snap. Is stock. So if it comes back down lower than this red, we have a good short on Snap. FSR is let me see what's going on here. Obviously, it is gonna get halted any minute. In any minute. 27, like 27.04 is the halt price. It can easily get halted. Alright, so we have So I have already reserved shares on NAOV to go short. We are not getting signal to go short so far. There's nothing that okay, Snap is doing what I wanted to do. The issue is that the volume is declining instead of increasing. So let's see if the volume increases. Then I will execute my short as I know is yeah, there you go. We get a signal here. I need a price lower than 3. So let's see what's the price point there. There you go. Unbelievable. I have reserved shorts. That's pathetic. Alright, so this is we could get extreme reversal from here, or just get a fake out up to the 90 and then drop back down. It's a fake out, hopefully. And then after the range opens, then we get a drop back down. So I wanted to short it from up here. And then I got it 10 cents lower because, you know, because. So as I said, that Snap, I'm not liking the decline in volume, and look at this. This is the result. I'm gonna wait for increasing volume again. So if it goes back inside, this position cannot be taken. So we are going back inside. The day is red, and the level that resisted 29 is still holding. It failed to break and pass through. I mean, it was a little bit of penetration. It was not a break out of it. So there you go. How many shares did I get? 10,000, but so we had a pullback. We went outside of yesterday's range, and then we pulled back to the low of pre-market where we got the first bounce, and then we are dropping back down. I'm really fan of if we get a break outside of this, outside of we get a close outside of this range, lower than the yesterday's close. That would be the best. So we get this could be a good buy. There you go. Oh, we got halted. No. Oh yes, we did. 31.86. Yeah, there you go. It's a halt. So this is the first halt, and it's gonna become very interesting from this point. Check with my buddies. All right. Okay. So yeah, so we get a halt in long. These ones. Okay. So this is something that you're not aware of. When I woke up in the morning, I was in a massive amount of profit since yesterday's profit. So I have a big cushion, so I can play whatever I want to do. The real long that I could do was this one, as we just start to climb up. And this drop back down was nothing, and then NAOV is not going anywhere, and I'm just trying to get out of it, especially that on 5 minute. It's the first wave is over. On 5 minute it's out. Yeah. But this fake out says that it's a bearish move. Also my strategy, but how many shares did I get? Oops, I didn't want to show profit and losses, but sorry. Okay, here we have 10,000. So I'm open to more, 2,000 more. There you go. That's what I was looking for. That is what I was looking for. Got him before the drop starts. Nice. So I don't think it's gonna get halted this one, but definitely we are we're in a good position. So yesterday's low was at 84. So obviously 84 gonna hold as some people are underwater from power hour yesterday. There you go. There's gonna be some plays around here, but then we're gonna get a drop. Or halt on at 39, and we're gonna get a 44, 35. Let me check this thing. Ooh, another one. Let's get another halt. Let's get another halt. Yeah. Let's go. And another halt. Okay, VXRP is open. And yeah, let's go for another halt. 35.20. This is just to scare people off. It's not real. From 7 grand it came back down. Should have closed it. There you go. The best entry was here. I missed it. If I didn't miss this entry, all of this move with mine. I'm adding to a position, and it doesn't look good. Okay. So we move our TP, our stop a little higher. So if we get out of range, of 39 something that was the pre-market high, this thing has juice to go to. Even cannot calculate how high it can get. Okay, I'm out. Okay, this thing also is doing good. This would be my stop. So we are at this range. Market is doing a little bit of turnaround. Let's see what's going on here. We're gonna get another halt soon. 79. 79. Where is this? 79. This is the halt price. Oh, please give me a halt. Oh, come on. So I was too busy focusing on others. I totally forgot on Snap. Snap did what we said it's gonna do. It came back on volume. Let's see if this thing closes higher. We are still in the top range. It means that we are not getting a good breakout. But if we get it, if we close higher, it means that we have potential. Nah. So NAOV is just going lower, so we trail our stuff. So we actually got a breakout out of what's the name of this company anyway? Vibronics. Okay, Nano. Let's call it Nano. So Nano just successfully broke out of this level. Out of the level yesterday's range. So our target now at the moment is 250.57. For a low float is too much. So BTU was on the short list. It moved up a little bit, but then the short signal is coming after it broke here. I didn't get it, so I was busy. You saw I was busy with what, FSR Fisker is still ranging. I'm not liking it after God knows like 20 minutes the market open. Still don't know where it should go. Snap it failed to form the proper signal, but then it formed it up here. So here was a good short 70.68 with the stop of 20 cents higher. So basically we are almost 2R. We went up to 2R. NAOV is dropping. We move our stop lower. Yeah, there you go. So we got the highest volume of the day on a candle that's not the lowest, and now we are getting lower and lower, and volume is declining. So it's a divergence and the sign of reversal, and if someone can take advantage of the reversal in this form, it means that you can get some money out of it. So let's look at this, our baby here. Like I got in, I got out. So here I had a massive, here you look at the size of this trade, 5,500 shares. Then I had some cushion. These are some paper cuts. Then I got in and then got out after it formed the doji with the second highest volume of the day. And it's dropping now. I have a reversal here actually. This is ain't good. I'm not letting my profit to disappear. So far I have missed over 20% of my profit. But I need to give it some room to play, right? 76, 74. We get a 74, we get anything less than 70, we are open to go to 54. But I'm going to just give it some room. So, I mean, I'm not a low floater, but sometimes it is what it is. There you go, I'm out. Let me check with my buddies. Wow. What a day. What a day. Oh my. Oof. This was the biggest profit-wise. This has been the biggest trading day of the year for me. Yeah. And then the best entry was actually down here. Like here is the best entry. But the best one was to get involved with the halt. Is it a halt again? Holy moly. So now we can also play this thing. I actually wanted to stop trading right now. I wanted to stop trading. But this actually is a good sign of short. It got halted with a wide range of short, with a wide range of spread, and we are changing red to green, green to red. This is the second time that this thing happens. First, it happens at the beginning of the day. It opened and green. It went green, red, and then green, and then now it's getting green to red. Oh, it's open. So I have big amount of shares I can short, no problem. Let's see which side it wants to go. It's gonna be a bouncing ball. 33 and 27. There you go. Let's go. Spread is pretty nasty for a $29 stock. It varies between 20 to 30 cents. No, 10 to 30 cents. It's a drop. Come on. Alright, this is the candle of the open that's resisting. Like, it's the range. It's always like that. So look at the candle of open. This is the range that market gonna have difficulties to get out anyway whenever it's getting more. Look at this. Open here, it didn't have much of short, but here after it got up, there you go. Yeah. Break. Okay, so could be just a little bit of play, but if it goes higher than the candle that opened after the halt, it won't look good. Yeah, so it's still red. We are still red. So we could get a bounce off of 3070, which is the actually open of the day, and then bounce back down. Yeah, I gotta put myself on mute for a minute. Yeah. Yeah, it's a short. Get out of here. Yeah, the music is a little bit too boring, isn't it? Let's get something a little bit more exciting. Yeah, when you look at your account, your profit just rips without being able to count it. Yeah, of course. Good. So I would love that if you could get into another halt, 26.37. Now it's 25.97. It's LOD. It's gonna be a little resistance here, but you know, it looks promising the way that it formed the breakout. let's see if it can deliver what's promising. It looks like a good breaker, but what I don't like about it is that they're all lower than the average volume. For the breakout, I would love that if you are higher than the average volume. Yeah, it's a break. There you go. But then again, I don't like that the volume is declining. Hold on, music is higher than my voice. Yeah, as I said, I don't like the volume is high, declining, and even it's closing green. Let's see. It's a break. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. So we are. Market is having difficulties getting out of the LOT. Yeah. All out. If it goes green to red, I'm gonna get in again, but if not, I won't. And then we have also Alright, I'm flat. I'm flat and not planning to get to. Oh, there you go, you bastard. Look at that. It dipped into LOD. It gonna most probably come back up and then push back down. I might get into the next. So if the next volume rises, that would be for me good is signal, which I call 112. It's a one bar volume, contrary, another one in compliance with the other one, and then two is these two, they have the same color. Yeah. No, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. Let me annotate for my buddies. There you go, it's breaking now. See? That's a good break. They have increased in volume, 1, 1, 2, 2, but the issue is that we're getting the rise in volume here. There you go. 82? Are you serious? Just 82? Give me 500, bro. Yeah, I said I don't want to trade anymore, but you know, it's a good short. Sorry. It's not going anywhere. A breakout should drop. This doesn't. I gotta get out. I'm not liking it. Not liking it, no. Oh, come on. Yeah, anyway. I'm sorry. Anyway. Let's see what mobiles are saying. Yeah, anyway, so yeah, all right, so listen up. After this I'm going to take it 5 and come back. I'm not going to stop the stream. Actually, I might stop the stream and I will go for another one to change the title of the video and take a rest, and then I will come back to do another review. Today I have the biggest trading day of the year, and oh, I traded something here. Oh, this one. Yeah. Oh, I forgot about this one too. All right, so I will come back, guys. Keep it green. Just follow your trade book and keep your psychology intact together. Just trade your setups, and the rest of the market is really not important. It's not for you. Just let it play the way that it wants to play. Have a good one, and then I will come back with educative content. It's right now I'm just talking about stuff, but I will come back to deliver some educative content and to talk about how to trade stocks and how we can capitalize on some strategies that I trade. Obviously, the strategy how I trade it's in private and it's premium content, but for public content and educative content, you just stick around, and I will be back soon with more content. Have a good one. Ta farda.